I1, that is the number of nodal equation. However, I forgot to tell you, in mesh analysis, the number of loop mesh currents is equal to the number of mesh equations. Again, in mesh analysis, I forgot to tell you, the number of loop currents is equal to the number of mesh equations. However, in nodal analysis, the number of nodes subtract by 1, that will be the number of nodal equation. In this case, how many nodes do we have? 1, 2. This is the ground node where the voltage is 0. So 2 minus 1, we can form 1 nodal equation. Okay. Let us solve this problem using nodal analysis. Okay. Apply KCL rather, KCL at junction or node. B sub N. So I1 plus I2 equals I3. Treat this one as equation 1. Then after forming current KCL equation, replace those currents I1, I2, and I3 by node voltage. There we are. So this one is V sub N plus or minus. So this one is low. Let's say low A. This one low B. This one low C. So that why I use 3 loops, so that you can see how I can replace I1 by node voltage, I1, I2, and I3 by node voltage. Okay, consider, apply KVL at low A. So this is 20 minus 10 I1 minus Bn is equal to 0. Now, I can equate I1 with respect to Bn. So this is 20 minus Bn over 10. Equation 2. Okay. Next, apply KVL at low B. At loop B, we have Bn minus 12 I3 is equal to 0. So my I3 will be Bn over 12. Equation Equation 3. Next, loop C. Apply KVL at loop C. So 15 minus 15 I2 minus Bn is equal to 0. So my I2 is Bn 15 minus Bn over 15. Equation 4. Now, I will substitute equation 2, equation 3, equation 4 to equation 1. Substitute equations 2, 3, 4 and 4 to equation 1. So I1 now will be 20 minus B sub n over 10 plus I2. I2 is 15 minus Bn over 15 equals I3 Bn over 12. Treat this one as equation 5. Okay. From equation 5, we have only one unknown, which is the node voltage Vn. How to solve that one? Vn now can be computed by simplification. I can simplify 20 over 10 plus 15 over 15 divided by 1 over 10 plus 1 over 15 plus 1 over 12. Let us calculate. Okay? So 10, 1 over 15 plus 12 plus 3 divided by, so the value is 12 volts. I will not abbreviate this one. So this is 12 volts. Okay. from equation 2, I1 equals 20 minus 12 over 10. So A, this is 0.8 ampere. From equation 3, or equation 4 rather, from equation 4, I2 equals, I2 is 15 minus 12 over 15. So this is 0.2 ampere. From equation 3, I3 equals Vn over 12. So this is 12 over 12, that's equal to 1.0 ampere. Therefore, if I will summarize, using nodal analysis, I arrive the values for I1, 0.8, I2, 0.2, I3, 1 ampere. The same values that we got from the previous two methods, Kirchhoff's laws and mesh analysis. Thank you very much and God bless you all.